So lately, I've been having a lot of trouble waking up. Daylight savings time, honestly, has been really rough. But luckily, I've got a bunch of stuff in my house that I can use to solve the problem. This is Theodore, he's for another project. A while ago, I got some e-collars for my dogs to do some off-leash training. We primarily use the beep functionality, but this one's also stuck at 16, and I just don't want to risk even putting this anywhere near my dogs. Luckily, it'll work great for the project that we want to do. Once I got it on and connected, it seemed like it was doing everything as expected, and the only thing left to do was to continue checking.
So yeah, I have tested this on myself before, and it's not particularly pleasant, but it's not the worst thing in the world. It kind of just feels like your muscle is twitching. But it's been a while since I did it, and it's now stuck at 16, which is super unfortunate. And I actually am not particularly sure if this even works anymore. I know that the light turns on when it flashes, but does that mean it's actually doing anything? So, first part is testing it. Oh god. Okay. Alright, doesn't look like it's... Oh, okay. There's a switch for turning it on to the electricity. Yeah, oh,
Yes, the electricity did in fact work, which is great because that means we get to go forward with the project. I took apart the laser toy and I used all the pieces to put this together. I tried zip tying it initially just to see if I could get it connected, but I kept pressing the other buttons and it didn't seem to fit very well, which means I get to go outside and enjoy this beautiful spring weather. I took a quick trip over to my garage and I realized that I've been neglecting a bunch of other projects, which isn't unusual for me. I didn't find my duct tape. I ended up just grabbing masking tape because, that'll work, probably. Then I got to work securing the servo to the actual remote. I took a zip tie afterwards and made sure it was fully snug. And then I gutted the code from one of my other servo projects to make it do things and test with. I just threw together an express server that took the server and then as the parameter it takes the location. It works pretty quickly for testing. Alright, so I took the remote and I hooked it up. It's got the servo zip tied with the little thing that we used for the laser pointer previously. And it's connected to the Raspberry Pi, which has a little server running on it. It's a bad server, it's bad code, but it takes the command for what you want to set it to, and then it moves. Oh, really don't want to. Okay, alright. Oh, oh my god, what the is wrong with me? Oh, so because I don't like being shocked continuously without any way to disable it, I put together something to actually have the servo retract away from the button after a certain amount of time back to the original state. It was fun to test it, and that worked pretty well. It just was a simple delay to move it back to the previous position, and it does the buttony things. And now that I had the servo working, I want to put together an endpoint that I could actually set timers, or one timer at this point, to actually set something to wake me up at a given time. I copied the finest code from Stack Overflow and smashed it together with a couple of different endpoints and triggers to actually let me set to some type of time that I wanted to wake up. Testing this one was fun too.
what the
So this went off in the middle of the night. Turns out I did not account for time zones, which is not unusual.
What the I have to work in the morning. You can't keep doing this. I need you to sleep on the couch.
And there you have it. This was an absolute win. Sure, I might be editing this at 1 in the morning because I still haven't fixed my insomnia. And yes, I might be sleeping on the couch for the foreseeable future. But look on the bright side. I'm waking up in the morning because I can't not wake up in the morning. And so far, I haven't noticed any changes in my routine. I wake up, I make myself coffee, I drink the coffee. Everything is fine. Nothing is wrong with anything that's happening right now in my life. And sure, some of you might say, Dom, that doesn't look like coffee. You seem tired. You haven't been wearing shoes for a while. Why are you doing this? Why are you editing things at 2 in the morning? Well, I don't really have an answer for you.
That was not coming.